Interest rates hold steady and months of inventory continues to climb up. We're going to talk about that and more in the Seattle's Eastside Real Estate Update. I'm your host, Tony Meier with Windermere Real Estate. As we do each week, we're going to cover interest rates, for sale and pending, months of inventory, and median sales price, see how the market's evolving. Well, first up is interest rates. We are basically flat from last week. Not any closer to our 52-week range. We were really close at 6.13 almost 3 weeks ago, but today we sit at 6.37, holding flat. We'll see what rates have in store for us in the coming weeks. There is hope that the Feds are going to change the overnight rates down again. Of course, that's not directly tied to the marketplace, but it does have influence, and hopefully that influence impacts our rates in a lower fashion going forward. So our active listings, good news to see this starting to taper back. We expect this to happen. We kind of had a bounce back up in September, and we're seeing here as we come to the end of September, beginning October, those active listings coming back down. We're down 2% from last week, still remain up 70% compared to a year ago, and that's pretty much been the story all year. It's not a question if we're up, it's just a matter of how much. 70% is where we sit today. Our pending sales, not necessarily great news. We had an 8% decline this week compared to last week, and we're down 18% compared to 2024. So hopefully buyers re-engage in this market. It's going to be something that people will look back and go, that was probably a very good time to buy, and we'll see if they do. So our months of inventory, we sit at 2.54. Now this is my 40th update for 2025. And this makes the 7th of those updates that we sit above 2.5 months of inventory. So we'll see how this trend moves going forward. We're up 109% compared to the same week last year, which was 1.21. So our median sales price, rolling 30-day average is what we look at. We're up 2% compared to last week and basically flat from a year ago. So again, those who think this market is just falling apart and prices are declining, well, seasonally they are, there's no doubt about it, and that's what happens every year. But compared to last year, we are basically on a level playing field. So if you're a buyer, this is the time to get in and buy before the seasonal prices go back up again. So if you've got questions about this market, please reach out to us. Happy to be of service, whether buying or selling. If you've yet to do so, hit the thumbs up icon. Share this video with a friend and subscribe. That helps our channel to grow. We appreciate it. We'll talk with you again next week, and take care.